Good morning. So this is just a segment, just on one of my first videos, just touching on continual improvement and etc. So what I plan to start doing is ultimately looking at what I'm reading and reviewing the books and topics and trying to get some, reflection and go from there. This is going to be for the electrical engineers or anyone in the electrical industry. So I'm not going to go over what I've done. A lot of books I reread because you've got to read stuff over and over again because you might have missed a key piece of information or general repetition items sticking in your brain. So just to highlight, the book I've just started reading is T. Davis's Protection of Industrial Power Systems, and it's the second edition. So I've had the pleasure of doing some courses over time at the Faraday Centre up in North England. Fantastic location. I think if you're looking for any particular training, you need to check them out. I'll try and put the link into the video. So this book is focusing on protection. That's what the system is. So if you're dealing with all the systems and you've got the electromechanical type relay, so that's the one with the induction disc, or more, more electronic modern relays. So we start going into stuff like the IDTM type relays. You might have some older ones like the MCCG. You might be on the more modern Minicom, etc. But look, if you're in a large commercial industrial installation, more than likely you've got a mixed box of those different types of protections. It's like everything in our world, it's so broad, it's a minefield. Let's not beat around the bush, guys, but the principles are the same when we take them across. Even if it's a 6-year-old relay, the protection principles are exactly the same as to what we're dealing with today. It's just different apparatus, and obviously, like anything in life, it's exposure to different things to ensure that we. So at the minute, I'm only just started. I'm probably 2 nights into reading it. Initial review is it's a really good book. It's laid out very well. The read, more importantly, is an easy to follow read. You can get in a lot of technical books, and they're an absolute nightmare to read. You got to be working for NASA just to decode them, never mind understand what they're saying. But look, guys, it's really worth the money. I got this off Amazon. Again, I've got no discounts to offer. I'm not associated. I am not, I'm not plugging this, so there's no code to put in for Mr. Stone and I get the return. It's nothing like that, guys. Any books I've got are this, or they're going to be, I don't know if you can see it, IET publications, guidance notes 1, 8, 9, 10. DSM 671, and there'll be a few others. So look, and there there's no associations with them. So anything I'm reading for my benefit. I'm just sharing. I'm not saying it's going to be a benefit to you. I'm reading it because I feel I might get a benefit out of it. Time will tell once I finish the book, and I'll have a better review and what I actually have taken from it. But let me know, and also let me know if there's any I'm always looking for stuff to read, guys. So if there's any recommendations out there for design, protection, I'm open to reading and going from there. Cheers, guys. Ta-ra.